We got a wiring update for you guys today for the F100. This is all the stuff that I've been working on here at the house. That's just some heat shrink that can go away. These are for the dome lights. Just some DT2 connectors. Pretty easy. I got these little lights. I got them off Amazon, cheapies, but they're just little LEDs. And then I heat shrink them with some DT25 and the joist connector. So they're ready to go. We're gonna put a couple of those in the cab, one under the hood, and one under the seat, I think, maybe one in the back, depending on how many we got. This is the harness that I made for all the OEM lights. It has turn signals, front, it also has the lights on the bumper or the grille. It's all Baja designs. We used the LP6s for the headlights as well as the front bar, so we got 5 total. And I actually ran the turn signals through the marker lights in Baja design, so they'll flash as well as the OEM factory ones down below. So that was a cool project. I got the Milspec connector there. Goes through the firewall and runs straight down the tube. It'll be an easy one. There's, that's the lights again. Here's all the other side of the connectors for Juan, who's going to be installing this in the truck today. I just paired them out for him, put them in Ziplocs, make his life easy. And this is actually one I'm pretty proud of because I talked to Smitty and he hooked me up with the cheat code to lay the perfect wires. We had multiple gauges and it did lay perfectly flat at the correct circle. I think we twisted a 14 and a 16 in the middle and then wrapped 7, I think they're 14, I have it all written down, but it was the cheat code. Everything's labeled. This is the back side of that bulkhead that goes through the firewall, ready to be shrunk depending on if we need a 90 or straight. So, but that is a perfectly laid cord, which I hope to get better and be able to do that on all of them. And this is just a little sub harness that I did for the front light. It's a DT6 and for the 3 LP6s, if I ever want to switch it out with, it's got 2 circuits running through there, an outer and inner, so I can do 2 light bars or a light bar as well as the DT6. So I thought I'd keep it versatile, not put it on the main harness. And then we have the Motec Keypads here, which I'm gonna go and apply all these stickers today. I've got everything worked out. Ignition, start. I'm gonna print out the little diagram I made. Still not 100% sure if I want the turn signals at the top here or there. Figuring I'm gonna put some buttons on the steering wheel because Hardwired Performance hooked us up with the inputs that go into the PDM, so we can control it. The only thing I'm missing is the fuel pump 1 and 2. They changed it and they unfortunately don't. They call it a reserve and a main now. It used to be 1 and 2, so we're gonna either order those specially or just do main and reserve. I don't think it matters. Well, I'm gonna put the horn top next to the start, so. Putting this off for way too long. It's time to just man up and do it. What is it, only $50 for new labels? Who cares? We'll just do it. I'm gonna put turn signals there. I didn't want to, but we'll do it. Keep going back and forth, not knowing where to put them, but I'm gonna put the buttons also on the steering wheel, so worst comes to worst. Worst comes to worst, I'll be able to use those more if these are too awkward to get at. Alright, there you go. One row down. One row is done. What do you think? Looks pretty good. Pretty factory. Pretty Motec, trophy truck and whatever. Alright, let's see if we can not mess this up. Dome lights, dome lights. Dome lights are not making themselves visible. Maybe it's work. Where's the dome? You guys need to be here to help me. I guess a cockpit. Cockpit light. That's the dome. Cockpit light is on. Alright. Hazard is there. I don't know what is parking lights. What we got parking? I think we're gonna have to do just lights, I guess, for that one. Not very interesting. Lights, and then do low and high for the. I don't know. Lights, lights. This one is definitely high. I'm just going to call those headlights. There we go. Headlights. What else do we got? Fuel pumps. And fuel pump main will be just here. Keep this one will always start on. Fuel pump main, reserve, which is actually fuel pump 2, but it'll just be labeled reserve from now on. Looking pretty good. And then wipers. Just put wipers. Wipers here. And I can do multiple press for the speed, 1, 2, 3, and then spray will be here. I like it. Might put buttons of this on the steering wheel as well. We do have options to do that. So if you don't want to be scrambling looking for the spray, and make it, set it up in a function so that you press spray and it'll give a few wipes. That is one thing that we had problems with at Nora, was the wipers, and the spray was empty, the reservoir was empty. Where's the radio? Radio on off in here. Not sure why we'd really want to turn it off, but might as well have it. We got a spare button and it's on this PDM. And there she is. That one we just need some kind of running light. I'm not sure what to put there. There she is, your completed keypad. So that'll be it for today's little update, but check back and we'll post more. Juan's got the harnesses one of them putting it in now for the lights and everything, so we should have an update there for you soon.